So, hey, if you have to have a tooth taken out, yeesh, that sounds kind of scary. And we've got Dr. Dunlop here. And Dr. Dunlop, maybe you can let us all know, a tooth extraction. What should we expect? What should somebody expect when they go to the dentist for something like that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm always a proponent of keeping your teeth and as long as we can, but there are times, of course, that's not possible. So,
yeah,
what we want to do is just make sure your anxiety is as controlled as possible. We've offer different ideas of sedation for you, either oral or we sometimes do IV sedation, or we can do maybe even some nitrous oxide. So lots of things. Then we also numb it, of course, and get it nice and comfortable before we do any type of tooth removal. So, we put a little nice topical jelly in there, and that kind of freezes the area a little bit while we do the injection. And most of the time, patients tell me they hardly felt much of anything. And that's usually the worst part. After you're numb, it's usually a very quick procedure where we can wiggle and lots of pressure sensations. I tell patients, I've heard horror stories where they had dentists on their chest and that kind of stuff, taking teeth out. We've never even considered anything like that.
That's never really happened. That's an old wives' tale. Okay, so remember that. That doesn't happen.
Want it to be as simple and easy as possible. And, sometimes we'll offer alternatives at the time of extraction, like an implant. Sometimes we can put the implant in simultaneously or graft the space so that we can prepare for the implant in the future. But, teeth are important. We always try to tell you to help and do our very best to help you keep them. But there are times when we do have to remove them. And we do, I think, a really good job here. I think most of our patients are satisfied at how comfortable they are postoperatively. And it's really not a very bad experience at all.
Well, it sounds like you certainly have a lot of different ways of dealing with, the pain or even the anxiety, as you say. So,
Sure.
Hey, there you have it. If you're worried about your having a tooth taken out, don't, because there are things that a dentist can do. And certainly they do it at Coshocton Dentistry. So if you're not already on the website, why don't you check it out, CoshoctonDentistry.com. We have some other videos there that you can watch about other aspects of dental health, and you might enjoy it. So thank you for watching.
Thank you, sir.